Linden Lane. My name is Michelle and this is my new channel. To all my new subscribers, thank you so much for showing your support and subscribing. If you are new here or you've checked out my short content but you haven't subscribed yet, do me a favor, check out this video, watch it all the way through, and if you enjoy the content, subscribe because I would love to have you. On this video, I'm going to be starting off my fall Decorate With Me marathon by decorating my living room. Now the thing with this series is I'm not going to be using anything new, and if you're like me and you're trying to bring in a refreshed look for this fall but you're using the same decor, then this video will be perfect for you. Hopefully you get a lot of inspiration from it. I had a really good time actually putting this video together, and I think you're going to enjoy it and it should be pretty insightful. Here are most of the items that I used in the living room for the decor of the coffee table and the end tables. So even though it's like 90 degrees outside in Florida and we're in August, not quite fall, it's always hot down here with the exception of a couple days. So when I decorate for the fall, I love to take advantage of my opportunity to bring out my faux fur blankets, throws, and pillows. The two faux fur blankets that I'm using in this video I purchased from Target a few years ago, and the faux fur pillows actually came with my sectional, and I knew that they were going to be the perfect addition to tie in my fall and winter decor. The rustic orange lumbar pillowcase and the ivory velvet pillowcase both came from Amazon. So far, I'm loving how the sectional is turning out. Now the middle wedge, I'm kind of nervous about because I'm not purchasing anything new and I only have a neutral tone color pillowcases, but we'll see how it goes. So I actually came up with like 4 different ways to arrange the pillows on the wedge. Let me know which ones you like the best. Should I go ahead and just buy another throw pillowcase? Maybe one that has a pattern or one that has a bold fall-like color? Or should I get a throw? Or is it fine the way it is? Let me know what you think. I'm really loving how this decor is turning out so far. So now I'm moving along to the cube end table that I have. I'm keeping this really minimal. This is where my husband sits, so I don't put a lot of decoration on his end table or for any other tables. Whenever I'm decorating any of the end tables, I'm still thinking in mind that we still need room to add like coasters and whatever else that we may have with us when we're just trying to relax, watch TV, or conversate. I always use this marble bowl, but I changed the filler out according to the season. And I'm completing this look with a flameless candle inside of a glass vase. For my second end table, this one was kind of challenging. As you're gonna see, I'm gonna go through many different looks. I wanted to make this area more of a personalized space for me since I sit here. The vase behind the gold box and the gold box both came from Home Goods. You may actually start to see a trend with me with that. I shop at Home Goods quite often. I'm always able to find little trinkets in there, and I just really love Home Goods. And here's the final look of my cozy corner. I switched out a couple items. I brought in this floral arrangement I made. The stems came from Temu. I believe the vase is from Home Goods. If not, it came from a local store called Old Time Pottery. And the pedestal that the floral arrangement is sitting on came from Home Goods. This cube end table was really easy for me to put together. It came out exactly as I envisioned. All I did was add filler into this decorative bowl that I purchased from, you know where, Home Goods. It actually came with a lid, but I wanted to use some filler just to kind of give the table an overall fall autumn look. I added some cinnamon sticks and I added a candle and a candle holder from Bath & Body Works. So this is how I currently have my table. I love this filler because it brings in a whole nother color variation and it ties in well with the rest of the table. I have more bowl filler in this bowl that I purchased from Restoration Hardware. The gray box with the beautiful detailing I purchased from Home Goods. I like to use it as a catch-all and I hide my remotes in it. And this candle I purchased from Target. I love this candle. I use it every year. It's by Threshold and this Harvest Festival. It has white notes of pumpkin and clove. And I just want to say, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. A few days ago, I released a short video titled 3 Easy Styling Tips for Decorating Your Coffee Table. And I got really inspired, so I added some more examples here in this video. Hopefully this gives you some inspiration when putting together your arrangements. And check out my short video if you haven't yet. The first idea I have here, I actually liked it without the candlesticks. I felt like the candlesticks made it too tall. For my second example, I'm using some greenery that I purchased from Michael's a few days ago. I do have another set of stems I will be using that I purchased from Michael's as well, and I'll be sure to note those for you. Since after all, I did say I wasn't using anything new, but I promise these are the only 2 items. Be sure you comment which one you like the best or which one you would prefer in your home. And I know I've been talking a lot in this video, so I'm gonna take a sec and let you all watch the remaining decor ideas in peace. Okay, so I know I said I wasn't going to talk anymore, but I just wanted to give you a backstory on these pine cone sticks that I am putting in the arrangement right now. I got those from a local store here in Florida called Southern Hospitality. I did not include them in the beginning of the video. I purchased them sometime last year or maybe the beginning of this year, but I've never used them. And this wraps up the coffee table ideas. If you're looking for more, check out my short video. I will attach it to this video at the end. Going back to the original setup of the coffee table, which is the way that I currently have mine. So technically this could be another idea for you. Here are the items I used to complete the look. The Restoration Hardware booklets, I actually ordered those online. They were free. I heard from another content creator that I was watching that she ordered these books from the website and they were free. So I said, hey, why not? All the other items we talked about earlier, but I did add these coasters. The coasters are adding another shape, texture, and color to the coffee table. I completed the look of the top of the coffee table by adding this little pair. I'm adding a few designer books, a couple photo albums, candles, and 2 throw blankets to the bottom of the coffee table to finish off the look. Having a 2-tier coffee table is nice to have, but it's kind of a catch-22 because you have to decorate the bottom shelf in order to complete the whole look. If you don't, then it's not going to look finished and your room is going to look incomplete. And now we have officially completed the first part of the fall series. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. And if there's anything you would like to see throughout this series, or if there's something that I may have missed, let me know. This is like officially the first long form video that I have done, with the exception of the 3-minute floral video that I have. But let me know. Your feedback is greatly appreciated. Please leave a comment letting me know what you liked in particular about the video, if there was something else that you wanted to see, or anything else you want to share. And I will see you next week. Stay tuned because we have so many other rooms and so many other areas to decorate throughout the house. I'll see you next week. Bye.